Hello, dear grade 11 students. Have you ever got F in math class? Well, me and my friends, Mr. Doraemon, we're gonna help you.
I have something for you, Nobita. This is the gift from the God. It's called Dole iPad.
Lesson 1. Sigma notation. So, let's say you want to find the sum of the first 10 numbers. So, you could say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and you go all the way to plus 9 plus 10. But mathematicians said, let's find some notation. Instead of having to do this dot 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 thing, which you will see sometimes done, so that we can more cleanly express these types of sums. And that's where sigma notation comes from. So this sum up here, right over here, this first one, it could be represented as sigma. Use a capital sigma, this Greek letter right over here. And what you do is you define an index. And you could start your index at some value. So let's say your index starts at 1. I'll just use I for the index. So let's say that I starts at 1 and I'm going to go to 10. So I starts at 1 and it goes to 10. And here's the formula. And I'm going to sum up the i's. So how does this translate into this right over here? Well, what you do is you start wherever the index is. If the index is at 1, set I equals to 1. Write the 1 down and then you increment the index. And so I will then be equal to 2. I is 2. Put the 2 down, and you're summing each of these terms as you go, and you go all the way until I is equal to 10. Lesson 2. Arithmetic series. Let's say we have the simplest of arithmetic sequences, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to go all the way to n. What I want you to think about is, what is the sum of this sequence going to be? And the sum of a sequence we call series. So, what is the sum? And there's some trick that I want to give you today. The technique is, the arithmetic series formula is n over 2 times a1 plus an. This is the formula. So, how to use it? However, there's something that you need to be concerned about. The index number and first term and the term of your index number. If you can have all of these factors, you'll be able to find the sum of every sequence in the world. For instance, 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 all the way to 99. So, the first term is 3, and as you can see, the numbers keeping adding by 4. So D is 4, and to find n, you need to use explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence. But in this case, n is 25. So, let's plug in all the factors. 25 divided by 2 times 3 plus 99. The result that you get would be 1275. Lesson 3. Arithmetic sequences. So, I'll teach you how to find an. The formula is an equals a1, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d, which is the common difference. Let's do some question together. Given that common difference d equals, and the first term is 6 and n is 50, therefore plug in all the factors and then we will know the value of a50. So let's do this. A50 equals 6 plus 3 times 50 minus 1, so it will be 49, and you will get 153.
So let's do another question together. Given that the common difference is minus 10 and the first term is 200, and the question wants to know what is the value of A20. So let's plug in all the factors. So A20 is equal to 200 plus 20 minus 1 times negative 10, and the result would be 10. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video that we made, and if you have any questions you can contact us. We will leave our email down below, and you can come and ask. Feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thanks.